Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're cutting the Rosette on the Selmer Guitar. This is part 5, I think. And yeah, tons of detail, tiny little space, lots of tiny little things. So we're gonna get zoomed in and get you guys a close view. So let's get out in the shop. Okay, yeah, so you guys may have noticed things look different. Yeah, so got the new camera. We're doing some new stuff with audio. Gonna try some new Premiere stuff, but now I'm kind of bringing my quality up a bit. So nice new camera. This is the Lumix FZ300, I think. I don't know, I'm not a super big camera guy, but a big step up for what I'm doing. I'm still gonna be using the GoPro a lot. You know, I'm not gonna be strapping this thing to the CNC machine, but yeah, so, but for a lot more of this vlogging stuff where I'm talking to you about what's going on, you'll see more, hopefully higher quality looking stuff. So that's what we're doing. Got the office set up here. We're getting set up to do some more Fusion stuff. You guys seem to love the Fusion content, so I want to do a lot more cam content and a lot more actually 3D modeling content. So got a bunch of projects all lined up for that. I'm getting set and practicing, getting things ready so it doesn't look like I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm learning just as much as you guys are learning. A lot of times people say that they're learning a lot from me, and I'm learning a lot from this whole community, right? So I really appreciate it. I just want to contribute as much as possible. So for today, we're cutting that Rosette on the Selmer. It's a pretty simple Rosette, but lots of little pieces, lots of little, handwork, little machining work, and little tiny handwork. So let's get our little tiny hands out in the shop and make some stuff. Okay, guys, what did you think? Was that cool? Was it not cool? I don't know. Yeah, so we're thanking the all of you. We're thanking everybody. We're thanking the subscribers. We're thanking everyone who's liking the video, all the views. I really appreciate it. We're really growing quickly, and well, not super quickly, but we're growing, and that's all that really matters. So, you know, feel free to share these videos with everyone. Anyways, yeah, so those Patreon people, this is the Patreon people. It's this big list. Just keeps going. No, it doesn't. It doesn't do that. I don't have that many Patreon subscribers, but what they are getting, I think, is a really good deal. Access to all of my Fusion 360 content, and there is just going to be a whole bunch more, right? So far, we've got the violin, the mandolin, and the nickel harpa, and the Selmer is going to go up there. And then I've got plans for an F5 mandolin, an A5 mandolin, and a bunch of other stuff that I've got going on. So there's going to be a ton of stuff up there. It's a really great deal. All I'm asking for is $1 a month. So not a ton. So if you want to support the channel, hook us up with that bad dollar. Yeah. Anyways, that was it for this one. Next one is going to be part six. And that's going to be gluing the top to the ribs. And I'm sorry, no, top to the ribs. No, not yet. We're not ready for that. First, we're going to glue the tops to the braces, and that's going to. I'm going to be doing it a different way than I've ever done it before. Like a lot of times, I'm trying stuff all the time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. I'm not saying it's the right way. It's just the way I'm doing it. So, anyways, we'll catch you next time. Have a good one.